Welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to register for Old Mutual Rewards. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. And if your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the process is the same. So just follow along. First, open the Old Mutual app and log into your account. From the home page, tap Rewards at the bottom of the screen. Since this is your first time accessing Old Mutual Rewards, you will see an introduction to the program. Keep selecting Next until you see the Let's Go option and then press it. You will now be taken to the Old Mutual Rewards registration form. If someone referred you, enter the rewards number in the first box. And if you have a promo code, add it in the promo code section. Next, choose whether Old Mutuals can contact you through SMS and email. If you choose email, provide your email address in the space below. Then choose whether you would like to receive promotions and deals as well as rewards information. Tick the box to agree with the terms and conditions, and once everything is complete, tap Submit. A confirmation screen will now appear showing that you have successfully enrolled for rewards. Tap Continue to finish the registration. You will then arrive on your Old Mutual Rewards dashboard where you can view your points and start earning rewards. And that is it. That's how to register for Old Mutual Rewards. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.